Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Bill McCloskey. He is the Deputy Executive Director of the Governor's Office of Agriculture Policy. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning, Joanna. I appreciate being with you this morning. Talk about our programs here at the Governor's Office of Ag Policy.
Bill, you have been a part of the Governor's Office of Ag Policy, and we have seen such growth in the availability, the amount of programs, and the outreach that it has for Kentucky agriculture. And today, I want to focus on the Kentucky Ag Finance Corporation and the programs that are available through that.
The Kentucky Agriculture Finance Corporation was a program that the Ag Development Board, when they met 20 years ago, Joanna, said, we want to see some of these tobacco funds invested in a program that will provide capital access or access to low market financing for farmers across the state. So you fast forward here now in the 2020, we have a $95 million lending authority under the Kentucky Agricultural Finance Corporation, staffed with the Governor's Office of Agricultural Policy. So we've got over 700 loans on the books, with the priority being beginning farmers. We all can appreciate the capital access needs of a beginning farmer. So that's what we focus on with our beginning farmer loan program. When we established the program, we didn't want to compete with lenders. We didn't want to create a bureaucracy in Frankfurt where we are competing against our ag lenders across the state. So we designed it as a participation arrangement where if a beginning farmer is needing access to capital to purchase a farm or buy equipment or buy livestock or buy into the family farm, they can go to their local lender that they normally work with. And then that lender, if they're willing to work with the applicant, they can make application to our office on behalf of the beginning farmers. And so for a beginning farmer, they can access up to half the cost of the project, not to exceed $250,000 with the interest rate of 2.75 over a 15-year period.
Yeah, and what a great program, because capital access is a huge issue. But who can apply for this, Bill?
Our definition of a beginning farmer is somebody that hasn't owned a farm longer than 10 years. Their net worth would be under $750,000. And then their off-farm income, non-agriculture related, would be $175,000 limit. So that's going to get most of our beginning farmers are going to be eligible in our program.
Absolutely. Now that's just one of the programs, though. Briefly, let's talk about some of the others.
For the established farmer, we have the Agriculture Infrastructure Loan Program. If they're making improvements on the farm, then they're going to be eligible for half the cost, up to $150,000 at the same interest rate, 2.75. Actually, when we disperse the funds to the lender, that's at 2%, and the lender adds on 0.75% to service the loan. And that's the interest rate is the same rate for all our loan programs. So we tried to streamline it, not only for our staff, but also lenders across the state and the farmers too. When they're looking at any of our agribusinesses, looking at any of our loan programs, understand interest rate's 2% and the lender adds on 0.75% to service the loan. So what I mean by servicing is any applicant approved under Kentucky Ag Finance Corporation, we disperse the funds to the lender, and then you pay the lender, and then the lender pays us. So again, I think it's a very streamlined process. A lot of thought went into establishing the program back in 2004.
Absolutely. And it's helped so many people. But you guys have a website, and it has a list of all the different programs that you offer. Is that the best place to start?
You can go to our website. It's the Governor's Office of Agricultural Policy. Website is agpolicy.ky.gov. And you can click on the Kentucky Agriculture Finance Corporation tab and find out more information about our programs. Again, you'll see it's a very streamlined application process. We're asking the lenders that you'll be working with to put all the information that they would review and evaluate to make a decision. Then they just send us a copy, and then we process it. And we typically will give a borrower working with their lender a response in 30 days. Because our board is meeting every second Friday of the month. So we like to move the applications along.
All right, Bill. Well, certainly appreciate you visiting with us today and sharing this information. And if you're interested in any of the Kentucky Ag Finance Corporation loan programs, I would encourage you to visit their website and then visit your local lender. Thanks, Bill, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.